delivery and development in all parts of our country. Your Excellency, we are deeply honored that you granted our request. Asante sana. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, Mashujaa Day is a special occasion set aside under our Constitution to honor Kenyans who have sacrificed and exhibited courage and selflessness in the service of our nation. Today, as we celebrate Kenyan heroes and heroines, we wish to particularly salute those Kenyans such as Mekatilili Wamenza and Koitalel Arap Samoei, who firmly resisted colonialists. We also honor the Kenyan heroes who gallantly fought for the independence of our country, such as Dedan Kimathi and the Kapend Kuria Six. In the southeastern Kenya region, Your Excellency, we also have heroes and heroines who include Kivoi Wamwenda, a Kamba warrior and long-distance trader who resisted colonialists, Mwangeka wa Malowa, a 19th century chief of Taita who led a community in opposing colonial rule, Siokimau and Muindimbingu who valiantly resisted colonialism. Other heroes and heroines from the region include Mbiti Mati, the first African National Assembly Speaker, Kitili Mwendwa, the first African Chief Justice, Zamba Kitonga, the chairperson of the Committee of Experts that harmonized various drafts that led to the 2010 Constitution, among others. The bravery, courage, and resilience of these heroes and heroines are an inspiration to the current and future generations to build a united and prosperous Kenya. Your Excellency, in our country, heroes and heroines are found in all walks of life. They include persons who significantly contribute to our economic development through engagement in the micro, small, and medium enterprises, such as mahogas, border operators, Juakali traders, barbers, salonists, hawkers, among others. Such heroes and heroines are also found among teachers, nurses, security officers, community health promoters, firefighters, athletes, fishermen, and farmers. In a special way, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to applaud the departed former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, as an outstanding and awesome Shujaa whom Kenyans are celebrating for championing multi-party democracy, constitutional reforms, promoting and defending devolution, and advocating for justice, rule of law, and inclusive governance. Your Excellency, in order to promote inclusive economic growth, your government has been implementing projects in our county focusing on agriculture, micro, small, and medium enterprises, rural